Finance Gang, it's your girl Shay here, and we are back with another video. This time we are doing a Apple haul. So I want to just do an unboxing kind of the things that I purchased from Apple. I have an addiction to Apple products. I am a victim, so I bought an iPad Pro, the 11 inch, and then I bought a just a case to go on it. I also bought a Apple Pencil, and then I bought a case for the pencil to match this. If you don't know by now, pink is my favorite color. So let's get right into this video. It's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to do an unboxing. So I did get it through USPS. I ordered it. Bye, baby. I ordered it about 2 weeks ago. The only reason why it took so long, I think, to get to me is because I got my iPad, my name engraved on the back of my iPad. You know, they ship from China. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what it looks like. So it comes in an iPad Pro box with it's plastic wrapped. So I guess I need scissors or something sharp. Oh no, I don't. It actually has a little tab right here. I know. Thank you, babe. It has a tab right here, and you just pull it off. So we're gonna pull that off and get into it. So it's about the size. The screen size is about the size of my MacBook Pro. Come on, Biscuit. It's not too much smaller than the MacBook Pro. But of course, I want my MacBook to stay stationary. I'll be carrying my... So open up the box. When we open up the box, we have the iPad. Has a little tab thing for you to pull it out. Protective covering. And let me see, make sure they printed my name correctly, because you know how these people do. Okay, so I definitely get a case. I mean a screen protector. And I got my name and my business name printed on it. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it says Shayla Kelly and Pink Finesse LLC. It's pretty big. It's bigger. It's big. I don't know if it's dead or not. I'm gonna try to turn it on. It might have a little bit of charge, but of course you have to charge it. Of course, it comes with the manual and the charger. It looks like a fast charger. It's a USB-C charger. I actually like the USB-C chargers better. Let me see. Yeah, USB-C charger. All right. So I'm gonna leave that right there. The first thing that I know I'm gonna do is put this case on it. One thing about it, the case has to be on it, baby. Period. I don't see a home button. Hello. Okay, sliding up. English. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Trying to get it up close so you guys can see. United States, of course. We're not in Afghanistan. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near. And my husband just took my phone. I got an iPad, but I might have to set this up later because I want my phone. I need my phone, but I'll set it up later. I definitely want to put the charger on it though. Put it on the charger and put the case on it. So I'm going to crack open this case. I bought this case from off of Amazon when I did a haul. My last haul. But it was not relevant to nails. So, it's just a pink case. It has the pencil holder. Let me zoom out. It has a pencil holder. It's magnetized. It's see-through in the back, which I really like because I got my name engraved in it. Not that I don't know my name or anything, but just in case somebody else sees it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the case. Let me see. Let me see, child. Push it in. It's a little tough to push in, but I guess that's to make sure that it doesn't fall out. So there you go. There you have it. And I can take that off if I choose to, that little bubbly, little protective layer, but I'm not going to take it off right now. So that's that. And looks like when I open it and close it, it locks. Y'all heard it? Wow. Amazing. I love it. Next, let's get this trash out the way. We're going to unbox the pencil. The Apple Pencil also comes in a little box that's wrapped, plastic wrapped. Sit down, biscuit. And it has also a little thing here, the arrow for me to open it up. This is the second generation. I think I paid $120. It was $128, but with taxes I paid $138. And I also got Apple Care on both products. So let's go ahead and open this bad baby. Be sure that she works. This little tab. Pull it out. Nothing in the box. I keep all my boxes. Oh, oops. Okay. There's the pencil. And I'm sure there are... Let me see what's in here. Yeah, the manual. It charges. Let me see. The box, put it back in the box. And unwrap the pencil. It's also in plastic. I did get this engraved as well. And I put my name on it. Shayla Kelly, or S. Kelly rather. Okay, mommy, hold up. Shayla Kelly, and then what I'm gonna do before I start playing with this pencil is I'm gonna put the case on it, because I have children, and if you have children and you buy nice expensive things, you definitely want to protect your investment. So you sleepy, mommy. I'm gonna go ahead and take out my case cover. If I can get it out. I'm trying to get it out, biscuit, and I can't get it out. There we go. Alright, and it has a tip, 2 tips. So this came with 2 tips. I'm just going to slide the pencil in. Oh, which way do it go? It's a little blurry. Which way do it go? I'm going to say it goes this way, of course. Oh, baby, you got to slide this thing in. Oh. Oh, my goodness. Ugh. Wow. Well, at least I know it's not going to come out the cover. It says Apple Pencil. You cannot see my name engraved in it unless you get up close on it. But I'm going to put the tip on it. And boom. There we have it. I also got this off Amazon. I'm not sure if I told you guys. So I'm going to leave some links to... Let me see. I don't know. I got to see what's going on. We gonna play with it, and then we'll update. I'll update this. But thank you guys for watching my unboxing for my iPad and also my pencil. It's too big to go right there for right now. Jesus. Without messing up the ears, unless I take the thing off. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video, and like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys later. Peace.